So today I'm back in the field again. I'm gonna fly a little bit with the drone. I can show some nice things you can do with it. Let's get it out of the bag and fly.
Before we take off, let's get the controller ready. Phone mounted, connected and ready to go. Now let's open the DJI Fly app and connect to the drone. I'm flying using the app on my phone. Here you can see all the information on the screen, and I'm climbing up to 120 meters. Here I show you how you can use the return to home function in the app. The drone automatically flies back and you can see the route it takes right here on the screen. You can see it's working perfectly here, but in the next scene things go a bit wrong. I accidentally set a home point under the trees and the drone actually tries to land in them. Let's go up to 120 meters and take in this view. This is Rhenen, the Rhine, the church, just an amazing landscape. You won't even notice it up from here, but I'm actually standing on a hill. From this height, everything looks just flat. I'm doing a slow pan towards the forest path. Using the controls on the controller, you have full control of the drone's movement. And you can also tilt the gimbal up and down for smoother shots. All the main controls are on the front of the controller using the two joysticks. And for the camera, the gimbal is controlled with a small wheel on top. I'll end this video with a smooth flight over the trees and then bring it back. And as a bonus, I ordered some ND filters so I can even get better footage in the next video.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. I flew really high this time, the max height of 120 meters. But yeah, you could really see everything. You saw the what we call the Rhine. You saw Rhenen. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Hope I learned and you learned something from it. And see you in the next video.